Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Hello and welcome to the Beautiful Home Design Ideas channel, your favorite place for turning ordinary rooms into extraordinary living spaces. Today, we're diving into the art of the accent wall, that one transformative feature that can make your bedroom feel like a designer retreat. Whether your style is bold and moody or soft and serene, the right accent wall can completely elevate your space. So grab your coffee or cozy up with a blanket, because we're about to explore the top 5 accent walls for bedrooms that truly pop. These ideas aren't just pretty, they're powerful, mood-setting, and easy to bring into your own home. Let's get started. Bold painted color blocks. When we say pop, bold paint is often the first thing that comes to mind, and with good reason. A vibrant color block on one wall can instantly turn a bland bedroom into a stylish sanctuary. Think deep emerald greens, dramatic navy blues, spicy terracotta, or even a romantic plum. This option works wonders behind your bed's headboard or along the longest wall to ground the space. Pair your bold hue with neutral bedding and warm metallic accents to balance the drama. And don't be afraid to go matte. Flat finishes give a more luxurious, modern vibe. If you want a cost-effective way to totally transform your room with just a can of paint and a weekend afternoon, this is your move. Modern wood slat walls. Nothing says chic texture quite like vertical wood slats. These have become a go-to feature in modern interiors, and for good reason. They add warmth, rhythm, and a hint of architectural flair. Whether you go for light natural oak for that Scandinavian serenity or rich walnut for a moody, masculine edge, slat walls can completely define the feel of your bedroom. Try placing the slats behind your bed for a clean, sophisticated backdrop. Or go full height behind a reading nook for a subtle statement. Add ambient lighting or wall sconces to highlight the natural grains and shadows. The result feels straight out of a boutique hotel. Wallpaper, bold prints, and murals. We're officially in the golden age of wallpaper, and today's options are better than ever. Think tropical palms, elegant chinoiserie, oversized florals, or even bold geometric patterns. A wallpaper accent wall can bring a whimsical, artistic element to your bedroom that paint simply can't achieve. The key is scale. Oversized prints work beautifully in small rooms, while repeat patterns suit larger spaces. Want something extra luxe? Try a peel and stick mural with a dreamy landscape or abstract art scene behind the bed. Pause here for a moment. If you're loving these ideas so far, don't forget to subscribe to the Beautiful Home Design Ideas channel. Hit that like button if you're inspired, and leave us a comment letting us know which accent wall you'd love to try. Your support helps us bring you more design magic every week. Now let's get back to our list, and trust me, the next two are real showstoppers. Textured plaster or lime wash walls. For those craving depth, softness, and sophistication all in one, meet the textured accent wall. Lime wash, Venetian plaster, or even hand-troweled paint techniques can create a surface that feels rich, historic, and oh so sensual. These finishes are matte, subtly varied in tone, and effortlessly elegant. Choose a warm white, clay beige, or dusty blush for a calming oasis, or go moodier with charcoal or indigo. This kind of wall feels alive, as if it's breathing with the room. It pairs beautifully with minimalist decor, raw wood furniture, and linen textiles for a high-end, organic modern aesthetic. Bonus? It looks amazing in natural light and photographs like a dream. You'll never go back to flat paint after this. Gallery wall or curated art display. Not into paint or paneling? Let your art do the talking. A well-styled gallery wall can be just as impactful as any other treatment, and it brings your personality into the space like nothing else. Think oversized canvas prints, eclectic frames, woven pieces, mirrors, or even sculptural wall art. Create visual harmony by sticking to a color theme or layout grid, or go maximalist with layers of texture and shape. A gallery wall behind your headboard creates a strong focal point, while one on a side wall can add unexpected charm and visual balance. The beauty here is flexibility. You can update pieces over time, play with seasonal vibes, or even incorporate family heirlooms for a truly unique accent wall that evolves with you. And there you have it, 5 bold, beautiful accent wall ideas that will instantly elevate your bedroom and reflect your personal style. Whether you lean toward bold color, luxurious texture, or an artful display, there's something here for every taste and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Beautiful Home Design Ideas channel, give us a like, and share your favorite idea in the comments. We'd love to hear which accent wall you're planning to try next. Thank you for spending your time with us. We'll see you in the next episode with even more creative tips and stunning home design inspiration. Until then, stay inspired and keep designing your dream space.